on our way to Venice. We just stopped over here in the gas station with a convenience store. My name is Kristen. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Grocery store food here is lit. Look what I got. So if you guys ever go to Europe, make sure you get the Pringles paprika, the Pringles sour cream, and more salami. Yeah. We just got to Venice, Venetia. Now we're on our way to Venice Island.
Venice is made up of 118 islands. The city itself is believed to be sinking at a rate of 1 to 2 millimeters each year. There are estimated to be 350 gondolas on Venice's waterways, which include 177 canals. Venetian folklore says that if a couple in a gondola kiss as they pass under each bridge, they will remain in love forever.
Okay, we just got here in Venice. We're gonna go get something to eat before the tour. And Venice is known for their black pasta. So this is their menu. Let's go look what they have here. This and this. This is what Venice is known for.
Venice is a very delicate structure. The buildings are made of marbles and precious elements, so we have to keep the sea out of the city. How? Recently, the City Council of Venice and the government of Italy, they built a project to stop the sea. This is called MOSES. The MOSES is based on 9 kilometers of undermarine dams. They lay down the sea at the side of the Lido, and they can raise in case of a high tide. Protecting Venice. These 2 columns are very important. They're the remaining 2 of a former group of 3 the Venetians brought here as a souvenir from the Holy Land.
On the right column, we have Saint Theodore with a crocodile, and on the left is a lion, which is the symbol for Saint Mark the Evangelist.
These 2 columns, they were very important because this was like the gate of Venice. For many centuries, the main harbor of Venice was all along the waterfront. The ships stopped here. People coming down the ships, they had to be recognized in between the 2 columns.
You look at this building, you see the first 2 criminals, Adam and Eve, and they are looking straight at the 2 columns, looking for criminals. Above them, you see Saint Michael, which represents the justice of God, which is surveilling the criminals in between the 2 columns. This is Italy's first cafe, founded in 1720. This is where the French philosophers discussed the first Illuministic ideas. After going around the island, we proceeded to the Venice glass factory, where everything was handmade. Some items even had gold in it. Other than wine glasses or shot glasses, they have accessories, furniture, and other things you can use to decorate your house with, all made from glass. Now, I wasn't allowed to film inside, but I would highly recommend you to get something from here when you visit Venice. The next day, we drive to Verona, which is a couple of hours away.
Just got to Verona, which is still in Italy. It is Romeo and Juliet city, so come along with me as we tour the city.
Verona is a city in northern Italy's Veneto region, with a medieval old town built between the Adige River. It is famous for being the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. This is Juliet's actual house. The play took its inspiration from the actual rivalry between two noble families in this city. Legend has it that if you touch the right breast of Juliet's statue, it will bring you good luck in finding your one true love. Look at how clean the streets of Verona are. It's stunning. And if you love to shop, there are a lot of stores here for you. The Arena of Verona was built in 1st century AD. This amphitheater was Verona's answer to Rome's Colosseum.
That's all for now for Italy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give this a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. See you guys next video.